Hi guys, I'm Edilbert Jalos from E78 and welcome to another open house tour for this week. Specs of this property, approximately lot area is 113 square meter to 116 square meter. Floor area, 510 square meter to 515 square meter. 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, 4 car garage, convertible for 7 car garage, and 1 elevator. Let's go downstairs and let's begin our open house tour. Hi guys, I'm standing here at the car garage. Ito yung 4 car garage na na-mention ko kanina, pero convertible siya to 7 car garage kasi meron siyang car lift. Pero ito, pag turn over, hindi po siya kasama, pwede na lang kayong order o bumili. Yung may door doon, nandun po yung water pump and then water tank. These doors will be your entrance from your parking. Now let's proceed inside of this house. Hi guys, upon entering this house, ito yung inyong magiging shelves. Tapos meron na rin kayong chandelier above. And this door, ito po yung inyong magiging maid's room. And this area, ito yung inyong toilet and bathroom. It will be your elevator. The beauty of this property, mayroon na siyang elevator para sa ating mga elderly. From ground floor to 5th floor siya. Don't try mo nga. Huwag mo kami iiwanan, ha? Bawal. Okay, see you in the next level. Yan, yung stair naman natin, meron na siyang stair light, and then staircase natin is Nara, wooded Nara, and then solid plank. Yan, nandito na siya, kumakaway na siya. Ano kaya ang pakiramdam ng sumakay dito sa elevator na to?
Laban mo yung wheel!
Anong pakiramdam mo? Okay naman?
Salamat, Terry, para tayo na sa high class na na building.
Sige, thank you very much. Yan, from the ground floor, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa second floor. Let's talk about naman dito. Yung living area, this will be your living area. And then meron tayong large sliding window glass dito to give natural light and good ventilation. Kaya lang may curtain siya sa ngayon. Yan po siya. This one is for your dining area, 8-seaters dining table. And this area naman is your shelves, and then, yan, depende sa design mo kung ano gusto mong gawin. It's your powder room.
Okay lang, diserya ka na.
Now, let's proceed to the kitchen area. We are now at the kitchen area. Ito yung inyong island. Tapos maganda nito, pwede mo siyang, yan, itupik, ilagay dyan kung gusto mo. Tapos, yan, pwede ka na umikot-ikot dito para more space. Pero kung gusto mo naman mas marami kang ilalagay, pwede mo naman siyang ilagay dyan for additional space. This area, ito yung inyong double sink. Yan, may malakas tayong tubig, countertop. Yan, overhead cabinet. Tapos may mga cabinet na rin tayo dito sa baba. Behind my back, ito yung inyong fire escape. Yan, fire escape niyo, and then air well to circulate po yung hangin. And ito naman po yung provision ninyo for 2-door refrigerator, and then may overhead cabinet na siya. And this area, ito yung sliding window ninyo. Yan, to give natural light din po dito sa inyong kitchen. Tapos makikita niyo yung stairs dyan. Yeah, another countertop po natin dito. Tapos this space, ito yung inyong magiging stove. And then range wood, ito na po yung provision, may butas na siya dyan. Overhead cabinet natin dito. Yan, tapos dito, pwede kang maglagay ng kung ano pang mga electric na gamit natin. Tapos ito, ganda ng ating yan, mga lightning design. Yan. Dito may space, and then high ceiling siya. Meron siyang chandelier above, and then meron siyang big windows dito, large window to give natural light. Ito naman yung digital lock door natin, tapos may double panel door siya. Yan. Tapos, then meron din siya ditong glass to give natural light dito sa loob. Ito naman yung inyong magiging pantry. Yan. Tapos may shelves na rin siya dito. Let's go outside to check kung ano meron. Ito po yung inyong courtyard. Yan, maliwalas dito, mahangin. Dito kayo sa courtyard. And let's go back inside of this house. Now let's proceed to the third floor to check naman po yung ating mga bedrooms doon. We are now in the third floor, only master's bedroom on this floor. Right behind my back, we have elevator and chandelier. Tapos may open space ka pa dito. Yan. May madudungaw ka pa. Now we check the master's bedroom. Now let's check the master's bedroom. Meron siyang glass dito and to give natural light, and meron siyang huge glass here. Tapos meron din siya diyang balcony. Then ito yung provision niya for the king size of bed. Yan, dito may mga shelves tayo dito, cabinets, and then this area is your walk-in closet. Yan. Napakalawak ng walk-in closet nila dito, and then, yan, marami kang pwedeng ilagay ng mga gamit. And this area is your makeup area. Yan. Paborito ito ng mga babae, mga mahilig mag-makeup. This place, you have floating vanity. Yan, may malakas na tubig. Your toilet. Then, yung shower mo. Tapos, ito naman yung mga lighting mo, and then maganda naman yung combination ng tiles na dito para sa yung master's bedroom. Now let's proceed to the fourth floor. Now we're in the fourth floor of this property. Check naman po natin yung first bedroom dito or yung other bedroom. Yan. Ito yung other bedroom. Each side po meron siyang windows to give natural light. Tapos ito yung ceiling niya, high ceiling, may mga lightnings. And this place will be your toilet and bathroom. Now let's go to the other bedroom. Yan, meron pang shelves dyan. Here is the other bedroom of this property. Yan, meron tayong sliding window dito. And the other side, ito yung provision mo for king or queen size bed. High ceiling, may mga lightnings. And then this area, meron kang walk-in closet, toilet and bathroom. Ngayon ako naman nasusubok na sasakay dito sa elevator. Now I am arrived in the 5th floor. This door it will be your entertainment area. Dito, ito yung inyong entertainment area. Pag may mga aming bisita, mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, pwede kayo magsingal lang dito. Ito, may mga built-in cabinet na tayo. And then this area, it will be your toilet. And you have a vanity. Yan. Behind my back, ito mayroon tayong large sliding window dito. Leads to your balcony. Maaliwalas, presko. Yan. Masarap pumesto dito. Now that's it for today, guys. If ever nagustuhan nyo ang bago kong pinicture na property dito sa Quezon City, pwede niyo po akong tawagan ng text number na ito para makapag-schedule po ka ng site view, ng site taping para makita niyo po ng personal. And pakipollow na lang din po ako sa aking page, EDJ Realty, and sa aking Facebook, Edilbert Jalos. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notification para lagi po kayo makareceive o makatanggap ng mga bagong featured na property dito po sa Metro Manila and Rizal area. Again, this is Edilbert Jalos, helping you find the home that's meant for you.